When I say I would like some caramel corn, I want the gooey caramel corn. This is the gooey stuff. I'll teach you how to make it. All you need is 2 bags of popcorn. I prefer the Kirkland Movie Theater Butter popcorn. I feel like the saltiness of this with the caramel is so good. If you have a big group, 1.5 the recipe, so do 3 bags. But what's really, really important with this, the caramel corn can crack your teeth if you have the kernels in it. So dump it in a strainer. This way you can sift all the kernels down and then grab the popcorn out of the strainer and making sure there's no kernels left. So see how there's kernels left over? So you want to throw those away. You don't want to crack anyone's teeth. The popcorn is ready. Now we are going to make the caramel. We're going to melt 1 cup of butter and then 1 cup of brown sugar. And what I like to do is I like to mix half dark brown sugar and half light brown sugar. The dark brown sugar is like a little bit stronger, but it makes the caramel sauce even better. So melt it on low heat, like level 2 or 3. Whenever I bring it anywhere, people are obsessed with it. And what I love about it is that it stays gooey for days. While you're waiting for the brown sugar and butter to melt, you want to prepare your pan, okay? So get a big thing of parchment paper and set it on a cookie sheet. So now the caramel sauce is all caramely. Now you want to add 1 10.5 ounce bag of marshmallows. Or if you have large marshmallows, do 40 large marshmallows. You just want to mix the caramel with the marshmallows until all melted. Cook it on like low heat. Doesn't have to be a simmer, but like a level 2, 2.5. The marshmallow is all melted. Be careful because it might be hot. Now pour the marshmallow into the popcorn. And I do a little at a time. So I'll do like half of it first. Mix it. And then you do the other half. You want to stir it all in before it solidifies. So the bigger the bowl, the better for sure. This is like a delicacy. You don't want it every day because it's very sugar packed, but when you do get it, it is so worth it. So this stores best in a bowl, so I washed the bowl, and then I'm going to add just an extra layer of parchment paper, and you want it long, okay? Put it in the bowl, and then take your delicious wad of caramel popcorn and put it opposite, so like make a T, and then just shove it in, okay? Oh, it's ready to eat, and it is so good and so gooey. Look at it. You wanted gooey popcorn, gooey caramel corn. Enjoy it. But when you are ready to set it aside, you take the parchment paper and you fold it over like this, and it helps keep it from getting dried out. It's perfect. And then when you want some, you just open it, eat it, and this will last at least 2 days. So today, tomorrow. I doubt it's gonna last that long because it's that good. I will put the recipe in the description, and if you guys have a recipe that you absolutely love, email me your recipe and I might make a video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to check out this one. See you guys next time.